Hey YouTube, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing our channel's newest addition, the Greenworks Lawn Mower. If you haven't, please like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Sometimes you have to just do it yourself. I purchased this Greenworks Lawn Mower from my local Best Buy for $499. I also have a dedicated video for the Greenworks trimmer and Greenworks leaf blower, which is available for you to view as well. The first item at the top of the box is the lawn mower's mowing bag. It has a beautiful green and black contrast. Second item is the 80-volt lithium battery charging base. Then we have the actual Greenworks battery itself. What I like most about the battery, there are 4 dots on the actual battery that displays how much battery life is remaining. The battery weighs approximately 1.98 pounds and has a battery life of 50 minutes. Finally, we have the big boy himself, the electric lawnmower. The mower weighs 59 pounds, and the specification should be popping up on your screen now on the left side. The length is 23 inches, the height is 17 inches, and the blade length is 21 inches. If you're in the South with Bermuda grass, the minimum length cut is 1.38 inches. Any lower, you might want to look into a real mower. I'm simply connecting the handlebars. You will find there's a pack of screws where you're simply putting the screw directly through each side of the handlebar to connect the handlebar to the base of the lawnmower. There should be 2 bolts that you'll screw in. Here's an overlook of all of the items that came in the box: mowing bag, charging base, charger, side chute, and the actual lawnmower. Here's another angle showing the beauty of this 21-inch Greenworks lawnmower. Now here's a very important part I wanted to display. This is the actual battery. The battery will display 4 dots. These dots are used to monitor the battery life remaining on your charge. And this is the side chute that you would use when you're mulching to ensure that the grass blades are able to be discharged on the side of the lawnmower. And here I'll do a brief demonstration of how you connect that side discharge chute to the lawnmower. Simply lift that tab up. There's a spring holding it, and there are 2 hooks that you connect to that metal bracket. And then that lid kind of sits on top of the side chute, and then it sits there perfectly. Now I'll also connect the mowing bag. This is when you are bagging. Now you would not use the side chute and bagging simultaneously. It's either one or the other. It connects beautifully, and it just looks stunning as well. Here's an overlook, and I'll kind of do a 360 of the entire lawnmower so you can get a close-up. One beauty of the lawnmower is it's not plastic. It is a metal base, so it has some weight to it. Here we are displaying the green on and off button. There's a battery gauge displaying how much battery life is remaining. You have a turbo button, and then the gray lever at the bottom dictates if you're going to be using turtle speed or rabbit speed. The levers are made out of a very thick plastic, so they can definitely take physical activity of yard work on a daily or weekly basis. Now let's get to the fun part. It's time to cut the grass. Let's move that leaf blower out the way. Now to start the engine, you want to hold down that power button and you want to pull the green button, and that will begin to have the blade to rotate. Now here's an aerial view. I have the setting right in the middle between rabbit and turtle. So it's not too fast, not too slow, nice even pace. But I'm cross-cutting right now. Previously I went vertical, now I'm cutting the grass horizontally, just to see different patterns that I should possibly use when mowing. If you made it this far in the video, I greatly appreciate your viewership. If you haven't, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your engagement on these videos will help our channel reach more people, allow us to continue with new content. Now, to my honest opinion of the Greenworks suite of lawn care, if you're an at-home, around-the-house DIY individual, the Greenworks mower is more than sufficient. The battery life is right under 1 hour of full charge, which is more than enough time to do any lawn a half an acre or less. If you are on a larger lot, maybe keep 2 batteries handy. Now, if you're mowing professionally, then a gas mower may be something you should look at. Any questions you have, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond. Sometimes you have to just do it yourself.